So I got this piece of wood from Hobby Lobby. I always go when their boards are 50% off. So it was originally $19.99 and I got it for $10, and it measures 15 3/4 of an inch by 19 3/4 of an inch. And I have this paper tablecloth that I had picked up from Walmart. It was in their Thanksgiving section. And I just measured the height of the inside of the board, which was about 17.5 inches. And I'm just going to cut my paper tablecloth to 17.5 inches high. And I just have a cutting mat and a rotary tool here. And I'm just using a straight edge so that I get my ends straight. And I laid it on the inside, and then I'm just going to crease the right side here with my finger and just put a crease, and that's where I'm going to make my next cut. And once I had it cut to fit on the inside of the frame, I'm going to take a Gen foam brush and some 1 hour enamel clear matte. This is one of the top coats we like, but it's also great for decoupaging. If you do not have the 1 hour enamel matte, you can use Mod Podge. And I'm just going to apply a good amount to the inside of the frame here. And this table paper cloth did not have any plies, so I'm just going to lay it on top of the 1 hour enamel. Sometimes the table paper cloths have layers that you have to remove. This one did not. I'm just going to take my saran wrap and rub it on top. And this just helps get any wrinkles out, and if you have a brayer, this is when you will want to use that. And once you went over it with your saran wrap, you're just going to do another coat of the 1 hour enamel clear on top of it. And again, we just use a Gen foam brush for that. And you want to apply a good amount, but don't put too much or your paper will start to rip. I put that aside to dry, and then I got this deer head from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. And don't forget your coupon. You can get it on their webpage for 40% off. And I'm just going to remove the back hanger that is on the deer head here. I flipped the head back over to the front, and then I just took some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I just painted the entire front of the deer head. And I allowed that to fully dry. Once that was dry, I added some hot glue to the back slats, and I glued it to the center of my board. I took some artificial greenery. You could find these right at Hobby Lobby, and I just pulled 2 of the bundles off. And I'm going to hot glue them to the neck of the deer here. And then I got this pre-made bow from the dollar store. I believe it was called Just a Buck. And I glued it to the center. And there we go. Now we just have this Christmas deer head wall hanging. Guys, I hope you like this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also find our tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.